Hey, what's up everyone? I wanted to hop on here and do kind of an unboxing of sorts of the KOWOOD Classical 70-piece router set. Just showed up to my house here, and the reason why I got this is I'm going to possibly get into woodworking, and I looked into this, and this actually contains most of the common router bits that you're going to need. So if you are someone who's considering the hobby, someone who's considering getting into it, and you're looking for, an inexpensive way to get a lot of the router bits that you're going to need, this might be a solution for you. First off, it does come in a very nice kind of wooden case here. It does latch on the side. And actually, let me just latch this back up here because I do want to show you on the back of this. Something I thought they did put a lot of thought into is they put keyholes here on the back if you want to hang this box on the wall of the workshop, which I thought that was a good nice little attention to detail, because this box really is meant to be a carrying case as well. I really like it because sometimes you'll get a set of bits or you'll get a set of tools, and really the case that it all came in is meant to be thrown away, and then you have to find room in your toolbox to store everything. But that's not the case here. Okay, so what this is here inside, they give you Allen keys so that you can tighten each of the routers, each of the bits into your router, and they do give you a warranty card with some information there as well. And what was also included with the box was the basically this is an explanation and specs of all of the bits that are inside the kit, which I thought was really, really cool, especially if someone who's a beginner, somebody who's getting into it, wants to get one of their first sets. You'll know exactly the shape that all of the bits make. Somebody experienced, this might not be as high a value, but someone like me who's just learning, if I know I want a dovetail, I know basically what I'm grabbing out of the kit. So this is a very valuable educational piece, and it is big, so if you are older, you don't need to have your glasses on. Okay, coming in here, let's look at the bits themselves. Now again, I'm no experienced woodworker, but they're all carbide bits. Let me see if I can get one out here for a second. Okay, sorry I had to cut away for a second, but these are all packed extremely tight for shipping, because they all have, let me see if I can get in here. Ow, they're really, really sharp, by the way. They all have these little plastic inserts inserted into the wood so that they do not move during transport. So if you do get this, I would actually recommend going through it and removing all of that, because once it's done, they do fit into the wood quite nicely, and then they come right out. But again, these little plastic collars that you see here when they ship them, it's going to make sure they don't rattle around, they're not going to bang into each other, and they work, because I had to fight to get this one out, and it's going to be a pain. I might have to use a pair of pliers to get some of these smaller ones out. I only use this one for the camera, because I was able to get my fingers behind the really, really big bit. But the bits themselves, they do, again, they do feel very sharp out of the box. We'll see how they hold up over time. But again, it seems to be a quality purchase, especially, again, if you're somebody who might be getting into the hobby or somebody who's intermediate and wants a couple extra spare bits. This is a good place to get them all in one. Hey, real quick, if you like what you see in this video and you want to purchase one for yourself, I've left links to everything here in the description. And if you want more no-nonsense, no BS product reviews, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you don't miss one.